Hello. Welcome to how to connect Mikrotik router to USB 4G. First, I factory reset the router. Next, I connect it to USB 4G. On the management page, you will see a new interface. The router has detected USB 4G. Next, I show you how to access the internet using this interface. I create a new bridge and add interfaces to it. You add wired and wireless interfaces to it. On my router there are only two wired interfaces. This is a group of internal interfaces. I add a new gateway IP address for the internal interface. You assign that IP address to the newly created bridge. You set up the IP address allocation server. The IP address allocation server for the devices in the internal network. This IP address range uses the gateway address just created in the previous step. Don't forget to set up the domain name allocation address. My computer connects to one of the internal interfaces and then it will receive the address from the router that distributes it. On the router you set up network address translation so that all devices in the internal network use an external address. You identify the correct external interface. You use the external interface as USB 4G. These are the basic steps to connect a Mikrotik router to mobile data using USB 4G. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. I check the results on the router and on the computer in the internal network.